Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to cancel unwanted subscriptions using Trim. You got a subscription that you're no longer using? Well, Trim can help you to cancel it in just a few taps. No emails, no phone calls, no hassle. Let's get through how to do it. First, open the Trim app and log in. Tap on the subscriptions tab from the bottom menu and you're going to see a list of all your recurring charges. Scroll through the list and find the subscription that you want to cancel. Once you've located it, tap on it and open its details. If Trim supports cancellation for that service, you're going to see a cancel subscription button. Tap that and Trim will take care of the rest, either by contacting the company on your behalf or walking you through the cancellation process. For some services, Trim may need a bit more info, like an account number or login credentials. Just follow the prompts and provide the requested info securely. Once submitted, Trim will usually confirm when the cancellation is successful or let you know if there's anything else required. No more surprising charges, no more paying for things that you don't use. And that's it. You just saved money in under a minute. Up next, I'm going to show you guys how to pause a subscription instead of canceling it. So make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that video as well as many more Trim tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.